Yo, what's up mga parekoy? I'm back with another video. Please subscribe sa ating channel and click the notification bell button para laging updated sa ating mga videos. So for now, we will be talking about practice problems, basic practice problems about of right triangles. So in this problem, we will set that the variables for our rectangle, this would be angle A, this would be angle B, this would be side A, this would be side B, and this would be side C, the hypotenuse. So let's try solving. First, we have this given. First na gagawin natin is to i-plot natin kung ano yung given. Let's draw that out para mas madali nating ma-visualize. So this is angle A. Angle A is 42 degrees and 25 minutes. Opposite to angle A is side A, of course. Side A is equals to 250. Now, we are tasked to find ito yung mga hinahanap natin. Angle B, side B, and side C. So, angle B, side B, and side C. So, how will we solve that? Before anything else, guys, I want to reiterate na ang gagamitin lahat natin pag nagsusolve tayo dito for accuracy and to get the nearest possible answer, correct answer, is yung given lang. Dito lang tayo kuha ng ating mga variables na gagamitin para ma-solve itong tatlong unknown. So, first, let's solve for angle B. Guys, please take note na ang sum lahat ng sa triangle natin is 180. So since this is 90, ang sum ng dalawang acute angles natin should be equal to 90. So if A plus B is equals to 90, transforming that would be equals to 90 minus 42 degrees 25 minutes. So using our calculator, we would yield to our answer 47 degrees and 35 minutes. So, that's the value of our angle B. So, to prove that, kapag in-add mo to sa ating existing angle, dapat 90 siya. To prove that your answer is correct. So, the value of our angle B is 47 degrees and 35 minutes. Okay, now, let's try solving for side B. So, using our given, let's solve for side B. So, to solve for that, I prefer using tangent. Bakit tangent? Because guys, remember, tangent is opposite over adjacent. We have the value of our opposite, which is A. So opposite natin is 250 and A is what is adjacent, which is B. So yun yung hinahanap natin. That is tangent theta. Our theta is given here. That's tangent of 42 degrees 25 minutes is equal to 250 over B. Let's transpose this to the other side para ma-solve natin to. B would be equal to 250 over tangent of 42 degrees and 25 minutes. So, solving that in our calculator, the answer of B would be equal to 273.6250. I prefer going up to 4 decimal places to get it better, most accurate. So, ang sagot natin dyan is 273.6250. Alright. Next now is to solve for the value naman of our side C. Maybe you would try to say that since we have angle A and angle B, why we don't use Pythagorean theorem na lang to solve for angle C? We can do that, but it would not be that very accurate. So again, I prefer using this original given para mas accurate yung sagot natin. To solve for that, I will use the trigonometric trig function, which is sine. Bakit sine? Kasi sine is again opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite of this angle is this A, which is given na tong both A. So sine A is equals to A opposite over hypotenuse, which is C. So we have those values. Sine 42 degrees 25 minutes is equals to A. A is given, that's 250, and the value of our C, yun yung hinahanap po natin. So, pagbalik rin lang po natin yan, C is equals to 250 divided by sine 42 degrees and 25 minutes. Solving for that, the value of our C is 370.635. Again, I went up to 4 decimal places para mas accurate siya. So, the value of our C is 370.6355. So, finally, guys, we have arrived to what we are finding, the 3 unknown identities in this problem. Okay, let's try solving number 2. Okay, let's try solving number 2. A is equal to 5, C is equals to 13. So let's graph that out again. A is equals to, this is angle A, this is angle B. Given na yung A natin, which is 5, given na rin yung C, which is 13. So yung hinahanap natin dyan is this angle A, this angle B, and opposite that is the side B. So angle A, angle B, and side B. So to solve for that, again, two sides yung given natin. So first, I would like to solve side B. Side B, we can use now the Pythagorean theorem, c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Kasi given naman yung dalawa eh. We only solve for side B. So transposing that would be c squared is equals to that's minus a squared is equals to b. That would be square root. Alright. So to solve for b, transpose natin yan. C is equals to 13 squared minus a squared. That's 5 squared. That would be 169 minus 25. That would be square root of 144. And the square root of 144, guys, is equal to 12. Right? So, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, this is a special 5, 12, 13 special triangle. That's a special triangle kung napansin nyo lang. Share ko lang. Yan. So, now, we have the value of our side B, which is 12. Next thing to do, guys, is let's figure out naman yung dalawang angles na ito. So, let's try to figure out first angle A. To find angle A, I would use the sine function. Bakit sine? Kasi sine A is opposite over hypotenuse. And again, given yung opposite ng A, given din yung hypotenuse ng A. So, sine A would be equal to 5 opposite over hypotenuse, which is 13. Sine A is equals to 5 over 13. To find for the angle A, that's arc sine of 5 over 13. Solving that in our calculator, we would get an answer. An answer would be 22 point something, but I prefer you get it in minutes, seconds, degrees, seconds, in minutes para mas more accurate siya. So our result, the value of our angle A would be equal to 22 degrees, 37 minutes, 11.51 seconds. Alright, so that's the value of our angle A, 22 degrees, 37 minutes, and 11.51 seconds. Okay, so next now is to find for the angle B. To find for the angle B, I would use the trig function cosine. Cosine kasi cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Meron tayong adjacent to B, which is 5. We also have the hypotenuse. So that's 5 over 13. So cosine A is equals to 5 over 13. Let's find, this is B, sorry, B. To find for the angle B, that would be arc negative 1 over 5 over 13. So solving that, arc cosine, tama ba? May term ba na arc cosine? Arc sine. Arc cosine. I think meron. Over 5 over 13, that would be equal to, the value is 67 degrees. 67 degrees, 22 minutes, 48.49 degrees. Seconds, I should say. So the value of our side B is 67 degrees, 22 minutes, 48.49 seconds. So to prove that this answer is correct, A plus B should be equal to 90. And as we can see, it's looking like equal to 90. Okay, so that's it, guys. Here are some more practice problems for you. When A is 212 and B, when A is 212 and B, let's say that this is angle B and B is equals to 40 degrees and 55. We are tasked to find B. This is angle C and angle A. So I will provide the answer and try pausing the video and solve for it. So A, B, and C. So angle A would be equal to 49 degrees, 5 minutes. Side B is 183.7481. Side C is equals to 280.5 5483. Okay, so this is the answers, guys. Another problem for you. Again, two sides are given. That's given the side C, which is 540, the hypotenuse, and given side A, which is 380. We are tasked to find side B, angle A, and angle B. So, try solving it. The final answers would be angle A would be equal to 44 degrees, 43 minutes, and 29.69 seconds. Angle B would be equal to 45 degrees, 16 minutes, 30.31 seconds. Angle B, side B. So the value of our side B would be equal to 383.6665. Alright, so try solving it and we evaluate if you get the final answer. Always take note, guys, na when you are solving problems like this, you base your solution on the given. Always sa given kayo mag-base to guess the best possible answer, the most accurate answer you can have. Okay? So that's it, mga pare ko. If you have some questions, comment it down below and I'll try to solve that. For worded problems of solution of right triangles, I have another video for that. I will link it down below para matry niyo yung mga problems natin doon. Bye-bye, mga pare ko.